Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aisyah Al-Salahi, and in this video, I would like to present my final exam for the reading academic paper. And now, I'm going to deliver a comprehensive review and analysis of my 5 selected research articles, and I will break down the questions one by one from my initial interest in these papers to how they can contribute to making my own academic writing much better. So let's get started with the first question. The first question is, what is your reason for choosing the article? The first article is Improving Students' Reading Comprehension Through Contextual Teaching and Learning, or CTL, by using local content materials. My reason for choosing this article is because I'm curious about what local content materials actually look like in practice. I want to understand how familiar everyday things around the students can be brought into the English classroom to solve their boredom with unfamiliar English text. The second article the second article is Improving Students' Reading Comprehension by using Read, Cover, Remember, and Retell, or RCRR strategy. I'm highly interested in this strategy because I want to know its exact procedures. It is fascinating to see how a physical action like covering the text with your hands can train students to remember and retell the content using their own words, preventing them from losing the meaning of long text. The third article is Improving Students' Reading Comprehension Through Teachers' Scaffolding. What caught my attention here is the scaffolding method itself. I'm interested in learning the systematic and concrete procedures, such as using pictures, note taking, and W plus H questions that teachers can use step by step, lift up students' reading abilities. The fourth article is Students' Perception Toward Moodle Reader in Reading Comprehension Class. My reason for choosing this article is simply because Moodle Reader is completely new to me. I want to find out how this web-based platform provides thousands of created reading quizzes to help students learn independently and enjoyably. The fifth article is The Effect of Bumper Sticker Strategy and Reading Interest on Students' Reading Comprehension. I'm deeply interested in this one because the name itself is very unique. I want to learn how the bumper sticker strategy uses color code lists to help students capture and summarize the main points of a text in a creative way. Now we move to the second question. What is the most interesting part of each article? After reading them, here's what I found most interesting. From improving students' reading comprehension through contextual teaching and learning, or CTL, by using local content materials, the most interesting part is the use of real Jambi cultural objects like Tekuluk, Batik Jambi, and Taman Rimba Zoo as reading materials. It is wonderful to see how local culture makes reading less abstract and much more relatable for the students. From improving students' reading comprehension by using Read, Cover, Remember, and Retell, or RCRR strategy, the most interesting part is the RCRR procedure itself. The step-by-step combination of reading, covering, remembering, and retelling creates an active cognitive habit that keeps students fully engaged with the text. From improving students' reading comprehension to teacher scaffolding, the most interesting part is observing the teacher's action cycles in this classroom action research, seeing how picture scaffolding and clues successfully transformed passive students into highly active, confident, and competitive learners is amazing. From students' perception toward model reader in reading comprehension class, the most interesting part is the availability of more than 6,000 online quizzes. These quizzes are brilliantly designed not to test memory of tiny details, but to check overall understanding of the plot and characters, making voluntary reading fun. From the effect of bumper sticker strategy and reading interest on students' reading comprehension, the most interesting part is the research finding. The study reveals that the bumper sticker strategy becomes significantly effective when applied to students who already have a high interest or motivation. Now for the third question is what can you adopt from your chosen article to enhance your own research article? After reviewing after reviewing all the papers, I selected the best and most practical elements from the articles to adopt into my own research framework. First, the reading indicators. From the article titled The Effect of Bumper Sticker Strategy and Reading Interest on Students' Reading Comprehension. I really like how they break down the criteria of testing students' reading skills, such as finding the main idea, identifying detailed information, and understanding vocabulary. I will adopt these exact indicators to build a solid and structured test for my own research. Second is the concept of learning materials. From the article Improving Students' Reading Comprehension Through Contextual Teaching and Learning or CTL by using local content materials, I want to adopt their approach of using familiar real-world example in the classroom. This will help me design a more engaging environment where students don't feel bored or intimidated by the lessons. And last, the data collection method. From the article A Student's Perception Toward Model Reader in Reading Comprehension class, I plan to adapt uh, the way they use structured questionnaires and interviews to gather students' opinions. It is a very neat way to analyze whether the students actually enjoy and benefit from the strategy I implement. And now, finally, let's address the last question, number 4. If you will focus on the same topic, what will you do to make your own article better than them? If I focus on the same topic of reading comprehension, I want to take my research a step further to make it stand out and be better than these previous studies. Here is what I will do. First, I will integrate digital technology with offline strategies. Well, the article I reviewed mostly focused on either purely physical classroom strategy like RCRR or scaffolding, or purely digital platforms like Moodle Reader. I want to combine both. I plan to use blend learning approach to give students a more dynamic and modern experience. Second, I will use much fresher updated references to ensure my research is highly relevant to today's education landscape. I will strictly use literature and supporting studies published within the last 5 years. This will give my articles an edge in terms of current trends and data validity. Third, I will make the learning content more personalized. Article 1 beautifully used local culture, and I want to expand on that idea. I will design reading materials that are not just culturally familiar, but also tailoredly to the current generation's digital interests, so students feel a stronger connection to the text. And lastly, I will ensure the tighter alignment between my method and specific reading indicators. I will create a highly structured framework that targets exact comprehension skills like finding the main idea, vocabulary and context, and detailed information, leaving no room for vague results and making my findings much more